Ever found yourself eyeing that must-have item online or craving that delicious meal, but your wallet's feeling a little light? We've all been there. What if I told you there's a way to get what you need now and pay for it later, without the hefty interest rates of traditional credit cards? Intrigued? Then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay Later. GrabPay Later, offered by the popular Southeast Asian super app Grab, is a buy now pay later service that's changing the way people shop and manage their finances. It offers a flexible payment option that allows users to spread out the cost of their purchases over a period of time. Think of it as a short-term loan, but integrated directly into the Grab ecosystem, making it incredibly convenient. So, how exactly does it work? First things first, you'll need to have the Grab app installed on your phone and a Grab account. Once you're set up, you can check your eligibility for GrabPay Later. This usually involves some basic verification steps. Grab will assess your creditworthiness based on your Grab usage history and other factors. Don't worry, it's usually a quick and straightforward process. Now, let's say you're making a purchase either within the Grab app for services like ride-hailing or food delivery, or at a participating merchant. When you reach the checkout page, you'll see GrabPay Later as a payment option. Select it, and you'll be presented with different repayment plans. These plans typically range from a few weeks to a few months, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your budget best. One of the most appealing aspects of GrabPay Later is its transparency. Before you commit to a purchase, you'll clearly see the breakdown of your payments, including any applicable fees. This helps you avoid any surprises down the line. It's crucial to understand these terms and conditions before you proceed. Make sure you're comfortable with the repayment schedule and the total amount you'll be paying. Now, responsible usage is key. GrabPay Later offers a convenient way to manage your expenses, but it's important to use it wisely. Avoid overspending and ensure you can comfortably meet your repayment obligations. Missing payments can affect your credit score and may incur late fees. Think of it as any other financial commitment. Treat it with care and responsibility. GrabPay Later offers several benefits. It provides a flexible payment solution, allowing you to budget your expenses more effectively. It can be particularly useful for larger purchases or unexpected expenses. Plus, it's integrated seamlessly within the Grab app, making it incredibly convenient to use. No need for separate applications or complicated procedures. However, it's not without its potential drawbacks. As with any buy now pay later service, there's a risk of overspending if you're not careful. It's essential to track your purchases and ensure you can afford the repayments. Also, while GrabPay Later generally doesn't charge interest, there might be fees associated with late payments, so it's vital to stay on top of your repayment schedule. So, to recap, GrabPay Later is a buy now pay later service offered through the Grab app. It allows you to spread the cost of your purchases over a period of time, offering flexibility and convenience. It's important to understand the terms and conditions, use it responsibly, and be mindful of your repayment obligations. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.